brother's snore is so loud. Oh, you look at that pimple. It's so disgusting. Guys, I'm gonna do the same thing as my first video as a little kid. I can't even go to sleep when he's snoring so loud like this. Well, goodbye everyone. I just want to show that how loud he snores. Like, jeez. So it's really dark. So goodbye everyone. Yoy.